So how does rich people spend their money? So there's three things of having money. Number one, you have to make money. Then number two, you have to be able to invest your money. Then number three, you have to be able to keep that money. And these are the hardest part of being rich. So let me tell you something. What I like to tell people is that first, making money, how do you make money? You can't make money working a job. You have to make money from your own business, something that pays you. You have to pay yourself first instead of going to a job and somebody else is paying you. You have to pay yourself first, and that's how you're gonna accumulate wealth. So the first thing you have to do is have a business of your own. If you wanna start a business and you don't know what business to start, I have a link in the description that you can watch my training that show you exactly how to start your online business. And it'll show you exactly how my students are doing anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 to even 100,000 a month with their online businesses. But you have to have your own business. If you don't have your own business, there's no way you're gonna be able to accumulate wealth because your wealth is gonna come from your business of your own. And it's so simple to start a business now. You can start a business online. It's so simple to start any type of business. Then the second thing you have to do is invest that money. What I like to do is invest all my money in my business. There's a lot of people say, hey, you should invest your money in real estate. You should invest your money in stock. You should invest your money in all these different things. I invest my money in virtual real estate. What I mean by this is that on these social media platforms like Facebook, I like YouTube. YouTube is a virtual real estate because every video you put out there, it's like having a house that pays you for years. When you put out a YouTube content, you're gonna have a video that pays you for years. If you get a property if you buy a house, what is that house gonna pay you? What, $400? If I put out a video on YouTube, that video might pay me what, $10,000, $20,000 a year? That one video? Like, that's how you have to think. When I like to invest my money in virtual real estate like YouTube and all these different platforms and stuff, because these platforms are gonna yield me a huge investment over the longer period of time. They're only gonna get better, right? But having a home, I'm not saying not investing your money in real estate is bad. I'm just saying, like, if you already have an online business, focus on investing your money in these different in these different platforms that's gonna make you more money. Because having a property like a multi-family unit and stuff like that, you're not really gonna make that much money. But when you start recording YouTube content and stuff like that, guess what? You're gonna make more money in the long haul because those are people watching those videos, and those people are watching those videos can be able to buy your product and services. But if you're getting a house, that what? Somebody paying you, are you making an extra $400 a month from that house? What is $400 gonna do for you? That's like going to Whole Foods. You can spend that going to Whole Foods on one trip, less than that. You buy a couple things at Whole Foods and that's done. That's not gonna do nothing. You get what I'm saying? So you wanna spend your money, you wanna invest your money in these virtual real estate. That's why I like to invest my money in, but I'm all in. I invest my money into my business. You wanna invest your money into your business because let's say you're doing $100,000 a month and your goal is to make $1 million a month. Guess what? The only thing that's holding you back from making $1 million a month is more customers and having a more solid infrastructure. So what you need to do is figure out how to get more customers. That's it. You don't need to have 4, 5, 6, 7 other different businesses. You just need more customers. That's it. So what I like to do is invest my money back in my business, becoming smarter and learning more about the business I'm currently in to be able to maximize it. Because by learning how to maximize that business, you're gonna be able to make more money from that business. So those are how rich people spend their money. Those are how I spend my money. A lot of other rich people spend their money on real estate, on stocks, mutual funds, and a whole bunch of different things in real estate. I'm not opposed to that. I have money spent on those, but I'm saying like where you're gonna make your high return investment is by putting your money in these online platforms, because these online platforms are people. There are people watching these platforms. When more people watch these platforms, guess what? More people will buy your product and services. Instead of serving one person, you can sell the world. You can sell to the world. So those are what I like to invest my money into. If you're new to my channel, every single day I post video just like this, help you to become successful and taking you to where you want to go. Comment down below. What do you spend your money on? What are some strategies and stuff that you use to spend your money so other people can see? Comment down below. And if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and like this video too. And make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll reply back to your comment. So I will see you on my next video. I'll show you how you can make your extra $1,000 a month. I'll see you on the next one.